forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
My beautiful people, I welcome you all to Soul's Tarot. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope अच्छे हैं. So I am here to do your reading yet again. Do you see this? Okay, so with this what I get is whoever needs to hear the message, upcoming energies, current energies, कैसे भी देख सकते हैं. It's a message for someone, okay? Someone who is resonating, someone जिसको ये title attract करता है. मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. काइंडली हैव अ लुक एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर दैट आई सेंस एंड आई एम फीलिंग इट वाई एज अ साइकिक बिकॉज यू नो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है विद द एनर्जी दैट यू टैप इनटू. सो आई सी अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन द पिक्चर guys. So my new joiners, I welcome you on board. Thank you for liking, for subscribing. My old joiners, I love you to bits, guys. Thanks for supporting. We're a small community, but we're growing, and thank you. I love you guys to eternity. मैं शुगर कोटेड मैनिपुलेट रीडिंग्स नहीं देती, प्लान रीडिंग्स नहीं देती. जो स्पिरिट गाइड्स पीछे से ट्रांसपायर कराते हैं, कोशिश करती हूँ that I should try and convey that to you, okay? And of course it's a Hindi English kind of channel wherein I try to tap into people from across the world, and I'm super grateful to each one of you. And so let's dive in. So I sense a compromise, guys, with the feather here. I so do. Okay, chaliye. I'm gonna pull out the core energy from the Power of Love deck. Really, what is it? The core energy that you need to see. This is a message for you, not the cross watcher. Okay, keep that in mind. The one who is watching it, ये message उनके लिए है. Baby, compromise hands down needed है. You are developing the skill to distinguish love from fear and truth from illusion. That's what I see, but let's see. Michael, show me the message I need to see. My spirit guides me very. Show me all that I need to see. For people who are resonating, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, let me touch them through the messages you want me to convey to them. Show me the messages, Michael. It's like no more drama, you know. Hare Rama, no more drama. Again, discernment at the bottom of the deck. And I am actually going to take this. Why I say that I'm going to take this? Because of course there's something in this reading, in this regard. Freedom. You're releasing any self-imposed restrictions or perceived limitations with a loving energy of openness. Guys, listen, okay? What I really sense here is that somebody has been giving in a lot of in a relationship. Whoever this person that I'm connecting with, the energy that I'm tapping in with, you have been giving too much. Stop, please. What's wrong with you? You can't run after a relationship just because you love the person so much. You should not do that to yourself. It's like torturing. Why do it? Heart chakra. Right? Please, come on. You have to understand that anything which was not working for you in the relationship was not because of you. It was because of the other person also. Because if I don't know, see, if this fixes you, fixes with you, stick around. If does not, please don't, okay? It's perfectly okay. Someone made you feel that, you know, this is how this should be. For example, that you can only, you know, cook a certain kind of vegetable in a certain pan. No, you can cook noodles in various kind of ways. in different pans, right? So someone restricted your orientation, your mindset, and because of that reason you were stuck and you felt that this is how it should be. आपने बहुत दिया है, अब आप कह रहे हैं कि आई एम डन. इतनी बंदिशें, इतनी बाउंडेशंस, इतना सब कुछ, आई एम नॉट गोना टेक इट. I can't take it. You're bringing in discernment now, and Spirit is bringing in discernment for you because they're telling you that now you're distinguishing between love from fear. जहाँ डर है, डर की छाया में अगर प्रेम है ना, तो वो प्रेम नहीं है. Please keep in mind, it's not love. So now you're trying to see truth for truth because there's no faith in the equation that I kind of see. That's why I say there's a compromise which is needed somehow, somewhere that somebody is making. My God, this is like so real. Whoever this person is, I think you're a very soft-hearted person. Very soft, very kind, very giving. And you feel that, never mind, let me do this. Maybe it's good to be kind, but as I said, judgment time. It's about you need to see things from a different lens now. आप धूप में जाते हैं तो सनशेड्स पहनते हैं ना, सनग्लासेस पहनते हैं. आप धूप में अगर जा रहे हैं और सडनली आप देखते हैं कि धूप हट जाती है और क्लाउडी हो जाता है, और अगर आप शेड्स पहन के रखेंगे तो पीपल विल कॉल यू सिली. दे विल डेफिनेटली कॉल यू सिली, राइट? So you are distinguishing, you are trying to see things more clearly now for somebody. So for the messages, Michael. Crosswatchers, please, this reading is not for you. This reading is for people who are resonating. Okay? This reading is for you as an individual. And it's not necessary that, although it is just a relationship reading, but this could be about somebody, looking in a dynamic of a friendship also. कि कोई इंसान आपको दोस्ती में, यारी दोस्ती में बांध कर रखता है just because वो beneficial है? No. फैमिली फ्रंट पे भी हो सकता है. टेक इट द वे इट वर्क्स विद यू. I am shuffling because they're telling me to continue shuffle, okay? So I'm just doing it. See what the message is, Michael, that I need to see for the soul tribe resonating. समय की धारा में. It is about time. The flow of time cannot be questioned. Stay in the flow. Understand that if spirit has brought you to a point where they're asking you to rethink, redo, there must be a reason, no? अगर no contact है, अगर separation है, अगर आपको suddenly ये लग रहा है कि you need to withdraw, it's going to be cool, trust me. और बहुत बेहतर होगा अगर आप उस तरीके से देखेंगे, क्योंकि it's about your self-worth, it's about your grounding. Maybe आप grounded नहीं है, your roots are not right. Chariot, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Maybe you're dealing with one, or maybe you are this energy. The white and the black is about the balance that this freedom, discernment is coming into place with. Chariot is actually saying, Krishna conscious says what? It says that, I am at your back. Krishna says that I am at your back. You are riding the chariot, right? You should know when to pull what? The yin energy or the yang energy. Maybe there's a lack of balance in your relationship right now. That is why you're feeling what you're feeling. That is why there's this lack of give and take. There's this lack of reciprocity. That is why it's like I feel कि आप बहुत देते रहे हैं or the other person hasn't been doing the same to you, and you need to understand that you need to get equally, right? we do serve people around us because pandemic is working. We're more compassionate today. We're taking care of so many people around us. I'm sure everybody is doing that. But we also make sure that we have food on our table also. No, that's very important. Knight of Swords. Maybe you're dealing with an air energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It's your call. Ace of Wands. It's like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as well. Sagittarius full moon May 26 might bring out that epiphany, that aha moment that says, with this Ace of Wands and this freedom, that I see clearly now why this relationship is stuck. Why is this relationship stuck? Why does this feel stuck? Why I don't feel free? Why I don't feel this energy? मैं ये energy क्यों नहीं feel कर पा रहा हूँ या कर पा रही हूँ? Because as I said, वो clarity नहीं है, वो equal give and take नहीं है, वो reciprocity नहीं है, and that is hurtful. I feel somebody's heart is really heavy. Someone is carrying a lot of weight. वो बहुत सोच रहे हैं. They are thinking too much about it. They really want to go forward because you love the person we're talking about. You really love the energy we're talking about, but you're holding yourself back. Discernment, you're working on your heart chakra, you're working on your root as well, and you're using your judgment now. You're listening to your higher self. आप truth और illusion में फ़र्क करें. अगर काया से प्यार है तो वो माया है. If it's just the physical embodiment of somebody that attracts you or pulls you or pushes you, then it's not love, baby. Trust me, it's not love. You're making a mistake. But if you're attracted to the soul within, to the person within, to the वो जो that beautiful energy within, जो ये दोनों में है, तो of course that's love, right? Balance चाहिए. You need to be attracted to somebody, yes, but you also need to love the person more, the soul more than the body, right? I'm going to take out 3 more cards going forward. I think someone has like an amazing bike. आप लोगों ने बहुत बाइक राइड्स की हैं, आप लोगों ने बहुत एक साथ ट्रैवल किया है, but what they're really trying to tell you is that you are really stuck in your own web. This reading, I am repeating again, is not for crosswatchers, guys. So you're stuck in your own web. They're telling you it's time to open your eyes. It's so much time to open your eyes, because see, 2 of Wands, it's inspiration. It's to ask. They're saying ask. Please ask. Please tell the person. Please tell the person that I am feeling that you're not balancing the equation. आप balance नहीं कर रहे हो. मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि feminine energy है. And there was like you have gone out for travels, or you wanted to go out on travel, but it's not working out for some. I feel, you wanted to travel the world with the person, and you had made big plans, but lockdown happened. So there's distance also that I sight. That somebody is like waiting, eagerly thinking, holding, saying, what to do, how to go forward. What else do we need to see now? Blueberry. Okay, blueberry is also my spirit guide, just so you know. What do we need to see? Justice, baby. Libra. Justice here means Archangel Gabriel here, my spirit guide. It's reflection. It's what you are feeling right now is being felt by that person also. So they're saying ask, talk, work on your voice chakra for some. I think your throat chakra, you need to work on that, right? They're saying balance. As I said in the initial bit, freedom, discernment, chariot, justice, scales, pentacles, तराजू. बैलेंस करना है रिलेशनशिप, तभी वो वर्केबल है, तभी वो 10 of Pentacles है, तभी आएगा वो, नहीं तो नहीं आ सकता. Full moon in Sagittarius, trust me, you're dealing with a Sagittarius maybe, or someone who's got strong Sagittarius energy in their chart. Keep that in mind. full moon in Sagittarius will give you that kind of light. And it's the person we're talking about is very attractive. The person we're talking about is very sexy, ooh la la kind of person, And you're also very attractive. You like very sexy, hot, know your thing, and you know your vibe. There's a lot of X factor that the energy brings in. Could be a man or a woman, we're talking about. Because now I've got a lot of men watching the channel. So thank you guys. I love you too. So maybe in the next 14 days we'll see a lot of change around you. You would find that once you'll say what your heart is willing to say, things would be turning out in your favor. And the balance which is missing would be restored because justice is here. Right? And with temperance, which goes like full moon in Sagittarius, which is eclipse, keep that in mind. What happens is that full moon is the best thing that can happen. It's the bright light in the night that you see. Then suddenly it's eclipsed. There's the shadow around the moon, right? So it's all dark. It's a little dark. In some parts of the world, you won't see it clearly and things like that. So it is about actually looking at your inner self also. With this Ace of Wands here, it's also about like the eyes are closed. See, it's about looking within also as to what you are not doing right to. Could be that you haven't balanced the equation. People, don't shoot me. I am the messenger. मेरे ऊपर अपना गुस्सा मत निकालिएगा. मैं ऐसे बता रही हूँ, हो सकता है आपने बैलेंस ना किया हो. राइट? प्लीज थोड़ा ध्यान लगा के सोचिए कि ऐसा क्या है जो आपने नहीं किया है in a given situation, and because of which there's this lack of balance that वो restore करना बहुत important है. Okay, so let me see what is the advice, because that definitely I'm going to pull out. Because I said, it was like the compromise thing. Something needs to be compromised, which is about your understanding, which is about your thought process also. Maybe आपके experiences कुछ ऐसे रहे हैं. So guys, क्या होता है कि when we are in love, we tend to feel that as long as the other person is living up to our expectations, we are very happy about it, right? Then when the person doesn't meets it, we are like, oh, the person doesn't love me anymore, and मुझे pamper नहीं कर रहे हैं या share नहीं कर रहे हैं, things like that. But that's not the case. The case is, that's what I'm saying, that अगर काया है तो माया है. I am a writer, okay? 2 books publish हो चुके हैं मेरी. So I am just stating that learn to distinguish between fear and truth. Faith is what you need to have within you. You need to have that faith. And see, this popped out. The star. Oof. Can I make this up? I can't. And that's what I'm saying. I see a lot of people doing wonderful work in the spiritual community. But trust me, I will never offer you readings or anything which is manipulated or sugar-coated. Because I'm not doing this for money. Okay, I'm not doing this for any other reason. I do it because I am born to do this. I am a star seed. I am a mystic. I've got those abilities. And trust me when I say that, I only offer you love and light. You need to really heal and look within. आप ध्यान दीजिए, because with the star here, it's like the relationship has a lot of potential. It has a lot of potential. Maybe you're dealing with an Aquarius also, or maybe you have strong Aquarian bits in your chart. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, hands down. King of Cups. Lots of emotions are there in the place. You maybe are feeling a lot imbalanced right now. You are imbalanced. They're saying that you heal, get your emotions in place, so that you can see things in a balanced way. By the full moon in Sagittarius, that is what the spirit is actually advising you. You need to really see things more clearly. This doesn't happen, otherwise. And it's, what should I say? There's so much of emotion I see. There's so much of longing I see. Justice twice. Justice twice. Don't worry. They're saying that, I don't know. Is it like exact how many days left to the full moon? Let's see. Is it like 11 days? We are sitting in on which day? 9 days. 10 days exactly. So justice twice here is saying the same thing, that all shall be brought into balance with the Two of Cups. I cannot make this up. When spirit guys come and talk to you and they tell you to deliver, that's how it's delivered. They're saying there's love, baby. You both love each other. Whoever this message is for. Okay? Maybe the person, as I said, is really deep down feeling the emotions. Is feeling the vibe. And they're saying it is going to get served. जो भी गलत चल रहा था ना, या जो लैक ऑफ बैलेंस था, जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज एनर्जी है, वो है. ये रीडिंग उनके लिए भी, आई थिंक आई हैड डन दिस रीडिंग वेयर इन इट वाज अबाउट द अपकमिंग एनर्जीज, करंट एनर्जीज. आई एम गोना पिन दैट टू वॉच इट एंड देन टेक अ लीप from the same if that resonates, because I think you also need to do some self-reflection, guys. You really need to, because what's happening is that if you will heal, you will get your emotions in check, your acts in check. That's where you will invite the Two of Cups back. Maybe that is the reason you are not in contact with the person. That is what I sense. This reading is for somebody who's not in contact with the person they are asking about, or they're watching the reading about. But this reading essentially is centered around you, the one who's resonating with the reading, because it's about you coming into balance, you realizing that it's very important to have the clarity and move beyond limitations. What is a limitation? Limitations are just in your mind, right? It's like what you imagine you can receive. That is what they're advising you, that ask and you shall receive. You have the Ace of Wands, which is like inspiration, that the key is here. The spirit has already given you the key with the Ace of Wands, and they're saying with the Two of Wands, it's inspiration. Three of Wands is like going forward and getting that, so receive. Justice is here, which means it's coming to you. It so is coming to you, but I think the lack of emotional balance, which is not there within you, आपके अंदर नहीं है, you need to bring that about, and you need to address your issues also, कि आप वो क्या है जो नहीं कर रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से अभी जो situation है वो. But trust me, with Justice and Two of Cups at the bottom, it's like it's going to come into play. You're going to be together. Honestly, it's like a very positive, very amazing, very lovely reading for whoever this reading is. So yeah, झुकने से या कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने से कोई छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. रिश्ता मायने रखता है अगर आपके लिए, तो आप उस रिश्ते के लिए कुछ चेंजेस अगर लेकर आते हैं, तो वो चेंजेस बेहतरी के लिए हैं, अच्छे के लिए हैं, उस रिश्ते में बैलेंस लाने के लिए हैं, विद द टेम्परेंस इन द जस्टिस. देन इट्स वर्थ इट. नो, इट्स ऑल वर्थ इट. तो करना भी चाहिए ना, फिर मज़ा आता है. I'm getting this song. I know somebody is listening to this song, or this song is playing in the background, or you love this song. साथिया तूने क्या किया, बेलिया ये तूने क्या किया, मैंने किया तेरा इंतजार. So they're saying इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, But if you love the person, guys, because this reading is for you, the one who's watching, okay? The one who's watching, watch it from your perspective. So this is for you, that if you love that person, you'll make those little changes around you. You'll do that inner work. You'll find out what you were not doing right in the picture, what you need to change around it. That would bring about the balance, because I think it's more about your throat chakra, that you were not saying certain things because of which the other person could not understand. वो समझ नहीं पा रहे थे कि क्या मिसिंग हो रहा है. And with the heart center, it's about healing, it's about understanding, it's also about understanding the other side of the story, right? So that's very important. So this is what I have for you. Okay, I send you lots of love, lots of light. And if the reading resonates, do like and subscribe. And घंटी ज़रूर दबाएगा so that you know when the next reading is uploaded. And I love you guys from this moment till eternity. Okay? Bye. Love you.